You feel pain every day, and it's a vital signal from your brain that serves as a warning system to protect you from harm. But have you ever wondered how this complex process works? It begins when you get hurt, whether it's a cut, a burn, or a bruise. Nerve cells, also known as nociceptors, immediately send signals to the spinal cord, which acts as a relay station. The spinal cord then receives these signals and processes them before sending them to your brain. This is when you actually feel pain, a sensation that alerts you to potential danger. It's an essential mechanism that helps you to respond to threats and prevent further injury. For example, if you touch something hot, the pain you feel is a warning to withdraw your hand and avoid burns. Your brain is constantly working to protect you, and pain is a crucial part of this process. It's a natural response that helps you to survive and thrive. By understanding how pain works, you can appreciate the incredible complexity of the human body and the important role that pain plays in keeping you safe. This intricate system is always at work, protecting you from harm. Meet the neurons, the messengers of your body, responsible for sending vital signals to your brain. The spinal cord acts as a highway, efficiently connecting neurons to the brain, facilitating rapid communication. Signals travel at incredible speeds, akin to electrical impulses, allowing you to feel pain in mere seconds. This swift response is crucial, as it enables your brain to react quickly to potential dangers. When you're in harm's way, every fraction of a second counts, and your brain's prompt reaction can be the difference between safety and injury. For instance, when you accidentally touch a hot surface, the neurons in your skin send a signal to your brain via the spinal cord, allowing you to instantly withdraw your hand. This rapid response is a testament to the impressive speed and efficiency of your nervous system. The spinal cord's role as a conduit for neural signals is essential, as it enables your brain to respond rapidly to stimuli, protecting you from harm. In essence, the neurons, spinal cord, and brain work in harmony to ensure your safety, and their swift communication is vital for your well-being. This intricate process is a remarkable example of the human body's incredible ability to respond to its environment. Here's the cool part. Neurons have special receptors that detect pain signals, which are then sent to the spinal cord for amplification. This process is similar to using a megaphone, where the signals get stronger and louder, allowing them to reach your brain and trigger the sensation of pain. It's a complex process, involving multiple steps and pathways, but it's also remarkably simple in its overall function. When you get hurt, the pain receptors in your neurons are activated, sending signals to the spinal cord, which amplifies them and sends them to your brain. This is why you feel pain when you injure yourself, and it's what motivates you to react and take action to protect yourself. For example, if you touch something hot, the pain receptors in your skin detect the heat and send signals to your spinal cord, which amplifies them and sends them to your brain, causing you to feel pain and quickly withdraw your hand. This rapid response helps to prevent further injury and promotes healing. The simplicity and complexity of this process work together to help you respond to pain and protect yourself from harm. The process is essential for survival, and it's fascinating to learn about how it works. Let's dive deeper into the complex world of neurons and their role in detecting various sensations. There are different types of neurons, each specialized to detect specific stimuli. For instance, some neurons are designed to detect heat, while others detect cold, and some are sensitive to pressure. When these neurons are activated, they send signals to the spinal cord, which acts as a central processing unit, similar to a computer. The spinal cord receives and processes these signals, filtering out unnecessary information and amplifying important ones. It then sends the processed signals to the brain, where they are interpreted and translated into specific sensations. This is how we perceive pain, for example, and are able to identify its type and location. The brain's interpretation of these signals allows us to react accordingly, whether it's withdrawing our hand from a hot surface or applying pressure to a bruise. The specificity of these neurons and the spinal cord's processing abilities enable us to experience a wide range of sensations, from gentle touch to intense pain, and to respond in a way that protects us from harm. This intricate system is essential for our survival and overall well-being. You feel pain every day, and it's not just from injuries or accidents. You can feel pain from exercise, such as muscle soreness after a strenuous workout, or from stress, like tension headaches. This is a common experience that many people face, and it's essential to manage it effectively. You need to find ways to alleviate and cope with pain to maintain your overall well-being. Fortunately, you have various options to choose from. You can use medication, such as pain relievers or anti-inflammatory drugs, to help reduce discomfort. Alternatively, you can try therapy, like physical therapy or counseling, to address underlying issues that may be contributing to your pain. Exercise, although it can cause pain, can also be a helpful tool in managing it, as regular physical activity can increase endorphins, which are natural painkillers. By exploring these options and finding what works best for you, you can control the pain and live a normal life. It's crucial to remember that pain management is a personal and ongoing process, and it may take some trial and error to find the right combination of strategies that work for you. With patience and persistence, you can take charge of your pain and improve your quality of life. There's a common myth that pain is just in your head, but it's not true. Pain is a real, physical experience that serves as a signal from your brain, alerting you to potential harm or injury. It's not something that you can simply ignore or wish away, as it's a legitimate response to a stimulus. You need to address the underlying cause of the pain in order to effectively manage it. Fortunately, you have a range of options at your disposal. Medication can be an effective way to alleviate pain, whether it's over-the-counter or prescription. Therapy, such as physical or occupational therapy, can also be beneficial in helping you cope with pain and develop strategies to manage it. Exercise is another important tool, as it can help to reduce pain and improve overall function. For example, gentle exercises like yoga or swimming can be great options for people with chronic pain. Additionally, alternative therapies like acupuncture or massage can also be useful. By exploring these different options and working with a healthcare professional, you can develop a personalized plan to manage your pain and live a normal, active life. With the right approach, it's possible to take control of your pain and improve your overall quality of life. Here's a surprise. Your brain can trick you, making you feel pain even if you're not physically hurt. This phenomenon is called phantom pain, a real and often debilitating experience that originates from a signal in your brain. It's essential to address phantom pain, as it can significantly impact your daily life. The good news is that you have options to manage it. Therapy, for instance, can be an effective way to rewire your brain and reduce the frequency and intensity of phantom pain episodes. Exercise is another excellent option, as it can help distract you from the pain and release endorphins, which are natural painkillers. Additionally, relaxation techniques such as meditation and deep breathing can also help alleviate phantom pain. By exploring these options and working with a healthcare professional, you can develop a personalized plan to manage your phantom pain. With the right approach, you can learn to live a normal life, despite the presence of phantom pain. It may take time and effort, but it's possible to regain control over your body and mind, and enjoy a better quality of life. By acknowledging the power of your brain and taking proactive steps, you can overcome phantom pain and achieve a more balanced and fulfilling life. You learn something new, and it's essential to understand that your brain plays a significant role in processing pain signals. This complex process involves multiple pathways and neurotransmitters, but it can be simplified to a straightforward sequence. You get hurt, you feel pain, you react, and then you can manage the pain. The good news is that you have options to manage pain, and with the right approach, you can live a normal life. Remember that your brain is always working tirelessly to protect you from harm, and it's crucial to take care of it by maintaining a healthy lifestyle. A healthy brain can better cope with pain, reducing its impact on your daily life. For instance, regular exercise, balanced diet, and adequate sleep can help alleviate pain. Additionally, techniques like meditation, deep breathing, and yoga can also help calm your mind and reduce pain perception. By taking care of your brain and body, you can develop effective coping mechanisms to deal with pain, enabling you to lead a fulfilling life. It's essential to be proactive and take control of your health to minimize the effects of pain and maximize your well-being. Your brain is a powerful tool, and with proper care, it can help you overcome pain.